Hi, I'm Peter Ranney.
And I'm Scott Blair with Ranney Blair Weidmann. The design-build process can be a long and tedious process, and our goal is to make a frictionless experience. So we've put together a 12-step process to take you through what your experience will look like. Step 1, reach out.
Call us or fill out our form at ranneyblair.com to describe your project you had in mind.
Step 2, phone consultation.
We'll get back to you with a phone call and ask you a few more questions about the details of your project, but more importantly, really dig into the problems we're trying to solve with your project. This phone call is typically 15 to 20 minutes to determine if our services are a good fit for you to move to the next step.
Step 3, home visit.
At the home visit, we're going to continue the conversation we had on the phone about really trying to understand the problems we're trying to solve. We do this by having you take us through your daily routine and identifying the challenges you have in your existing space.
Step 4, showroom visit.
When you visit the showroom, you have an opportunity to meet some of the team, see our space, and take you through the process of how we design and build a project.
Step 5, design retainer.
So our design process is really 2 steps. First, the conceptual phase. And that's where we really focus on the space planning, the layout, the big blocks of areas that we're going to be working on for the project. Once we've completed that portion, we issue the second payment, and then we're able to move into the actual material selection, the colors, and on all the pretty things that go into the project.
Step 6, final home visit.
So in this step, we're going to bring all the materials that we have to your house so you can see them in your light, in your space. Our designer will also sit down with our estimator with you, go through page by page of your project to verify the scope of work before we move into the estimating phase. Step 7, trade walk and remodeling agreement.
Our estimator is going to come out to your home with all of our trade partners to really take your project from what we consider a 30,000 foot view down to a granular view. Each trade partner is going to come out, look for obstacles that could impact your project in the future, and we can see those on the front end, so when we get into build, it moves much smoother.
Step 8, we get to work.
Each week, our project managers will send you a snapshot of what's happened that week and what's going to happen the next week. During the build, our project managers will communicate with you through job tread and daily logs, weekly snapshots, and a standing weekly meeting. At the beginning of build, our project managers will dust protect your home through uses of plastic, HEPA filters, and some other tools.
Step 9, professional cleaning.
At the end of the build phase, we bring a professional cleaning crew in so you can have a fresh restart and use your space right away.
Step 10, punch list walkthrough.
During the punch list walk, our project manager will walk you through the space to make sure it's exactly how you want it. We'll also bring a professional photographer to capture your new space. We like to invite some of our team that was involved in your project to come celebrate the closing of your project.
Step 11, warranty.
Have peace of mind with our 5-year warranty. If you notice any issues, give us a call so we can come fix it.
Step 12, follow-up.
We'll follow up in months 1, 3, 6, the first year, and 2 times a year after that until year 5. This is our 12-step proven process that we formulated over years of work.
If you have any questions, stop by the showroom, give us a call, or fill out a form on our website, ranneyblair.com.